BoxyCharm got me all the way. All right, y'all, I know I said March was gonna be my last BoxyCharm, and here I am in April with a BoxyCharm. Yes, here I am in April with a BoxyCharm unboxing. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get in this thing. So what's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Alethea. If it's your first time here, I do appreciate you coming to check out another video or a video on my channel. So I'm not going to go and talk and do all that kind of stuff and just go all over the world. Let's just go ahead and get into this. Friday, I believe it was, yes, Friday, I got my BoxyCharm Premium in the mail. This is my BoxyCharm Premium box. So they got me all the way messed up. When I tell y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna put a screenshot in here. I have been a member of BoxyCharm since 2014 and it's 2020. That's 6 years. I have been a paying subscriber to BoxyCharm. Paying. I subscribe to their base box. As soon as they introduce the BoxyLuxe, I subscribe to that one. And then I turn around and I subscribe to the premium. So at this moment, I'm subscribed to all 3 boxes. And for me to keep getting boxes that have issues is ridiculous. BoxyCharm has gotten too much money from me. Too much. Which means I need to just go ahead and do what my mom did and cancel them. So with that being said, my box number is variation 50. 50. 50. Which to me, when you get way to a high number like that, it's probably when you've gotten to the crap of the boxes. So with that being said, I don't even know how much this box is worth, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you what's in this box. They sent me some IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. Keratin-like treatment in a can for your hair. Now, if you know anything about BoxyCharm or if you've been on my channel for a while, you know that BoxyCharm gives you surveys to answer questions so they can cater what you get based off of your beauty profile. The only thing I have for hair in my beauty profile is oil. Why am I getting this? Next thing in this box is an Age Away Replenishing Cream for dry, mature skin. In my survey, and right here is where it says for dry, mature skin. According to my survey, I have combination oily skin. Nowhere does it say I have dry skin. What am I gonna do with this? The next thing. Now this I may be able to do something with. Peach and Lily, the Good Acids Pore Toner. Gently exfoliate and balance with AHA and turmeric. So this is a toner for the skin. And like I said, this I may be able to do something with. Here it is, what it looks like. And it's in a glass bottle, pretty cute, pretty neat. So this right here, I'll give it a try and see what it's like. But most of the time with toners, sometimes toners don't work to hold my oils down. So what I use to tone my face pretty much is this right here. So yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and give this a try and see how it is. And so I'm going to put it right here with my other one. The next thing they sent me is a volume and length mascara. Another thing on my list that I have at the bottom, it gives you a ranking for beauty items, and mascara is one that's at the bottom of the list because when I get to a mascara that I like, I don't want all kind of mascaras. And so mascara is like at the bottom of my list, but I have this mascara. Am I gonna give it a try? I don't know. The next thing that they sent me is this magnetic lip plush paints by someone called Nude Sticks. I don't know. And the color is Waikiki Rose. That's what this is. And okay, so this is how it comes out. And that's the color. It's a rose looking color. So I may be able to do something with this with a nice little lip liner. Actually going to put this on my vanity to see about using it in the future. And the last thing I got is the Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. Now when it came to this, the choice, because they give you the chance to choose something, and I had a choice to choose this or an eyeshadow palette, but I did not, I forgot, oh gosh, I forgot to go on there the day that you can make your choice options, and you only got 24 hours, so therefore I didn't get to make a choice. It has this right here to hold on to the, so you won't lose this little spatula, but this is what it is, and I've never used this. I've had one or two things from pharmacy, but not much. Doesn't smell like honey. So I guess I'll give this a try, see how this is. But for right now, I'm going to put it back in the box because I'm using something on my face currently at the moment, and I don't like to use too many things on my face at one time, because if something happens and I break out or whatever, I need to know what has caused me to break out. So today, just a few minutes ago, and I just sprayed this box down, so it's probably a little bit, I don't know if you can see it. No, I sprayed it down and dried it already. So here's the box, and this is the base box. So I did make the choice on this, so let me see if the item that I chose is here. And I also did an add-on. Let me get the add-on. For this box, my variation number is number 18. Number 18. And so the choice was between these two. It's the Ebates Superfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam and the Ebates Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice. I chose this one, and I bought this one as an add-on for $12. So I got this one before the box came, but I haven't used it yet, so I did get this. So this is the first item in my base box. The next thing I'm going to pull out is the Sunset Original Makeup Eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. Contains 1 makeup eraser cloth. So this is a makeup eraser cloth. So I think I like this, I guess, I don't know. So these are supposed to help eliminate the use of wipes, because I see right here where it says, thank you for joining our movement. Your purchase is helping eliminate the third most wasteful product in the world, wipes. That's that. And then the next item that I pull out is this iconic London illuminator. So I'm guessing this is a highlighter, and I don't care for liquid highlighters. I don't, just being totally honest. So I'm not sure what I'll do with this, but I don't know if I'll be using it. I don't know. I'm gonna put it here for now. I may end up giving it to somebody. And this right here, I know that it's supposed to be based upon your skin type. So it's the Benefit Professional Smoothing Face Primer to minimize the look of pores. So there are 2 different ones, and I don't know which one this is. I don't know. I'll just have to see. I think I've tried this before, and I don't think I liked it. So I don't know. We'll see. And then the last thing I got in this box is some brushes from a company called Lavish. So it's just some makeup brushes, and it's 5 of them. So it looks like a crease brush and a shadow brush, a pencil type brush, an eyeliner brush, an eyebrow brush because it has the spoolie on eyeliner or eyebrow brush. So yeah, that is the last thing that came in the box. And overall, as far as this box goes, I'm a bit underwhelmed, I guess you could say. Yeah, it's not all that. So that's my box for April. Boxes. I did unbox 2 boxes, right? Those are my 2 boxes for April. So yeah. So anyway, I want to try this because I do like Ebates products, so I am pleased with this. I do hope this works, so I am pleased with this. And I'm hoping that this does my skin well once I start using it, so I am pleased with this. So overall, between the 2 boxes, these 3 things are what I'm good with. So I would like to thank you so much for coming to check out another video on my channel. I absolutely do appreciate you. So until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one.